So what's up guys, welcome to Photoshop Advanced Masterclass. So in this class you will learn different selection techniques. You will learn to remove your subject, remove background, remove sky. You will learn how to make your skin soft, how to remove blemishes, and even how to remove tattoos. You will learn how to use Photoshop latest feature, which is neural filter. You will learn how to colorize classic pictures, how to create fake depth of field, and many more. And guys, using 3D materials, we will create a fun example. You will learn how to create impressive mockups and afterward how you can animate them. You will learn many different styles of text effect. You will learn how to place your shadow, how to place your reflection using the perspective. You will learn how to refine brush, how to use brushes and create a fun photo manipulation. You will learn how to place your product in a new background and many more. So what's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed. I have a website and a YouTube channel where I teach people how to edit videos and graphics. So if you are interested, then join this course right now.